Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something very important: first aid. First aid is the immediate help given to someone who is injured or sick before professional help arrives. Knowing first aid can help save lives and reduce pain. Let's look at a common scenario where you might need to use first aid. Imagine you're at school and your friend falls and hurts their knee. What should you do? Oh no, are you okay?
Ouch, my elbow really hurts.
Yeah, you'll need first aid. Don't worry, I'm going to help you. We'll need a first aid kit. Can you please get the first aid kit? Okay. Now, let's clean the wound to prevent infection. Okay, now, this is going to sting a little bit.
Ouch, it hurts.
Okay, don't worry, you're doing great. Okay, now let's put a bandage on the wound. In this scene, student A did the right things. They said, "You need first aid," asked for a kit, helped their friend sit down, cleaned the wound, and put a bandage on it. These are basic first aid steps: rest, clean, and cover. Remember, first aid is about staying calm and helping the injured person feel better until professional help arrives. Always keep a first aid kit nearby and learn these simple steps. If this lesson was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.